Good morning, children. Hope all are fine. Today we are going to start a new topic, and I think you have already learned it. So whatever it is, I'll discuss it in a somewhat easy way, so it will be easy for you to understand. And before starting the lesson, I have to tell you one thing, that if you watch this video only one time or two times, it is sure that you won't understand anything, or you cannot understand anything, because this topic, it's a little bit difficult topic. So you have to watch the video nearly 3 or 4 times. Okay, so when you watch it first time, don't get upset or don't get worried, but you can gradually learn this topic. Okay, so now let us start the class. Okay, children, now I'll write a sentence. Okay, you just watch. Okay, so here I wrote a sentence. Rama runs quickly. So in this sentence, you know that the word Rama, it is the subject of this sentence. It is a subject that you know well. Now runs. Runs is actually the verb of the sentence. It is the verb here. So what about quickly? Can you say something? What about quickly? Yeah, it's not a live class. Leave it. Okay. So what about the word quickly? So we can say that Rama runs quickly. So here the quickly, it answers how Rama runs, isn't it? It answers the question how Rama runs, the way, how he runs. Okay, it tells us how he runs. So run is actually the verb here. So here this particular word, it tells us something about what? Something about the verb here. Or we can say this word, it modifies what? It modifies the verb runs. Okay, so we can say that an adverb. So we call it an adverb. So we can say an adverb modifies what? Modifies a verb. We can say that, no? An adverb modifies what? Modifies a verb. Okay. So this is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the adverb. We call it adverb because this particular word, it modifies what? It modifies the verb, or it tells how Rama runs. Got it? Now I'll write another sentence. Okay, so in this sentence, we know that this is a very sweet mango. So here, the word sweet is actually an adjective. Okay, the word sweet is an adjective because it tells us something about what? Something about the noun mango here. Okay, so sweet mango, sweet is an adjective because it tells something about what? Something about the noun mango. So here the word very. Okay, here the word very. What's the use of it? What's the use of the word very here? We can say that the word very modifies what? Modifies the adjective sweet. Okay, this word very, it modifies what? Modifies the adjective sweet. Or else we can say this very tells us how much the mango is sweet. So how much sweet? Okay, so we can say that this very is what? The very is an adverb because it modifies what? It modifies the adjective sweet. Okay, or it tells us how much sweet. It tells us how much sweet. Okay, so in one sentence we can say that an adverb is a word which modifies what? Which modifies an adjective. Got it? Now, I'll write another sentence. Don't get confused, children. Govind writes clearly. Okay. So, in this sentence, Govind writes clearly. It is easy for you to understand. Govind is the subject. Writes is the verb. And what about clearly? What about clearly? This clearly modifies what? This clearly modifies the verb writes. Okay, how did he write or how does he write? So we can say he writes clearly. So it answers the question what? How he writes. Okay. So now let me write another sentence there or another word there. What I will write? Let it be Govind writes quiet. Q-U-I-T-E, quiet. I add another word here. Okay, so here you know that Govind is the subject and write is the verb and clearly is the adverb. And now I add one more word here. So now we can read the sentence as Govind writes quite clearly. So what is this quiet here? What is the need of this quiet here? This quiet, here this word quiet, it modifies what? It modifies the adverb clearly. Or it tells us something about the adverb clearly. How clearly? Quite clearly. Okay, so we can say that this quite is now it is an adverb. So we can say that an adverb is a word which modifies what? Which modifies another adverb. Okay, here it is an adverb and this adverb, this quiet, it modifies what? It modifies another adverb. So we can conclude that an adverb is a word which modifies a verb then an adverb or an adjective. We can say that an adverb is a word which modifies what? Which modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. Did you understand?
Okay children, watch this video at least 2 times. Okay, watch it at least 2 times. Okay, so the next session will be in the next class. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.